Check me out. Check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
Crown, crown, crown. I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip.
I'm wearing the Go Big or Go Home earrings from Serative. You can buy them on serative.com. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I appreciate you guys being here with me right now. And again, you are watching Styling by Sarah. If you haven't yet and you're here with me, be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you're ready to see me dye my hair back to blonde. I'm excited to dye my hair again. I'm using Dark and Lovely. I'm using their Luminous Blonde number 396. Hope to one day see someone with my hair texture on this box. But they have a new design, so I actually got 3 of these. This is 2. And this is the 3rd box. But I already started one of them, and I'm going to show you guys me doing the second one. I'm only going to do 2 at first, and then if I need more, then I'll do this 3rd box. And so right now it's in Bantu knots. It look a little crazy. But we did. So my hair is like super dry, so it's recommended that like I shampooed my hair 2 days ago, and I have not put any type of moisture in it, but it's dry. So I'm just taking this out, and then I'm going to section it in 4s. So I know I'm not supposed to brush my dry hair, but I am just brushing it so I can detangle it. So when I do start to dye it, it gets all of my follicles. And I know that I'm supposed to brush from the ends to the top, so that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, my afro's out. Next I'm going to divide my hair into 4 because the instructions in the dye mix said that. Start right here and dye everything else. So I'm gonna leave this little inch there. Okay, so after I put a little bit in using this, I'm just gonna use my fingers, like to run my fingers through it too. If it's drenched, then you can ensure that your hair will dry. So you know how I put just 2 in there? It's literally almost finished. It's gonna be enough to cover my whole head without doing the roots. And then I'm going to pour in the 3rd bottle to do the roots. I'm all out, but that's why I have the 3rd box. Make sure you guys get 3. If you have more hair than me, you should probably get more. Your hair is longer than mine, the more the better, I'm telling you. Your hair is longer than mine, get more than 3. Because you need as much as possible for it to effectively dye your hair. I'm going to quickly put some olive oil around my edges because when I get closer to my roots, I don't want my skin to burn. Alright, so I rubbed it equally all throughout my hair. Now I'm going to just literally moisturize. I want it to be drenched and wet with this, but I'm not going to use that much because I need to leave some to be able to do my roots. So now I'm going to, put a plastic bag over my hair for, oh, it got on my skin, guys, it got on my skin. I'm gonna put a plastic bag over my hair for 30 minutes. It doesn't need to be this tight. I'm just too lazy to go downstairs to get a tighter one. I mean, a looser one. So the reason why I put the bag on it is just so like, I feel like it'll make it dye quicker. Like if it's hot, under something hot, I don't know, moist. I did this last time and it worked, so that's why I'm doing it. And this is how far we've gotten in the dyeing process. So we getting somewhere, So it tells you not to like rub it in your scalp. I'm gonna need y'all. I'm not saying rub it in your scalp, but you really gotta make sure your scalp is covered. All right now, hope y'all been holding your horses for almost 3 hours. Yes, I've had the second part in my hair for almost 3 hours. I'm gonna tell y'all the tea. I'm gonna tell y'all the tea about dyeing your hair. And this also happened at the Dark and Lovely shoot that I was casted for, where they dyed my hair this color. Like, they leave it on your hair for a lot longer than what it says in the package. Definitely, I would recommend, if your hair is dark brown, that you have the product in your hair for a total of 3 hours. Meaning 30 minutes for doing 1 inch away from the roots, and then 2.5 hours after you do the roots, and you spread it throughout your hair. Honestly, that's all that's ever worked for me. I've done this a few times, so that's what I would recommend. And when I was at the shoot, that's what they did to me. I was sitting there for 3 hours getting my hair done, or more actually, because when you're in there it's a lot longer. So this is what it looks like now, and I need to hurry up and take it out now because I think it's ready. I think it's definitely ready to be washed out. And I am using, I know y'all feel some type of way about Dark and Lovely. I mean, not Dark and Lovely. Oh! I'ma just, y'all heard me. Anyways, y'all know y'all feel some type of way about Shea Moisture. It's an intensive hydration shampoo that I'm going to use though. I also have Cantu Shea Butter Color Protecting Moisture Mask that I'm going to use. This from Cantu after I wash it, and then I'm going to leave it in my hair until like later tonight. I have the Deep Treatment Mask on my hair right now. I like the growth though. Y'all see the bangs? I got bangs now. Since when, sis? Since when did I get bangs? I'm gonna be feeling myself with these bangs though. I'm gonna be feeling myself with these bangs though. I'm not gonna know how to act. I'm gonna be answering questions like, yes, talking to me? Are you talking to me? I might, you know, knowing me. Alright guys, so I am now taking my hair out of the braids I did. So after I deep conditioned it, I braided it up, and then I left it in for a day, and then the next day I braided up without putting leave-in conditioner, and the next day, yesterday, I put leave-in conditioner in my hair and then braided it up, and now I'm taking it out. I'm using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. So I'm just gonna have it in my hand as I take it out of my hair. So I just put a little bit on. And I'm just gonna continue to take the braids out. So you see the color differences that I have in my hair, but we're gonna make it work. So now I'm going to use this comb to style my hair. And so the way I style my hair, I just put a little part here. So now I have product in my hand. And this is what I do to achieve my hair styles. Take the product in my hand and I just start just rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And then I'm going to take the pick and just start picking my hair. Just like the empty spaces that I have, I'm going to start picking it so it can be forward. So I'm done with this. I'm just gonna pick it a little bit more. I'm all done. I'll probably put some oils in my hair too. The oils that I have, and just touch it up a bit more. But yeah, this was me showing you guys how I dye my hair back to Luminous Blonde. Like you already saw, there's like multiple colors in my hair, but I'll give you guys a texture shot. Thank you guys for watching me dye my hair Luminous Blonde once again using Dark and Lovely's product. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and like this video. Any other hair ideas you guys have for me, please leave it in the comment below or let me know. Bye. Till next time.
My tea, my business. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business. Sip your tea and mind your business.